Hi guys, in the continuous for the live demo, right? So this is a part two where we will start the development of the call flow in the AWS Connect, Amazon Connect. Okay. So what we will do is first we will go to Amazon Connect and then we are going to prepare first this journey. Let's see how much we can cover in this video. If it is going to be long, right? Then I will break it up into again several parts, right? Okay, so this is the instance that we already have, right? And I will use login for emergency because then I don't have to create the credentials. Okay. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit. It's very small. Okay, we will go to the flows. By default, we have many flows and there are previous flows also which has been created. But for this, we will create a new flow and let's give it a name like read the manual and main menu. Simple and easy busy. Okay. So now in this, we will go with the standard procedure, right? So we will first enable the logging, right? And first we will enable the login so that we get the CTR records, right? So that is done. Then what we will do is we will also enable the contact lens, right? So that is, I think, what is that? I forgot the name. Let's search for it. Set wisdom, set login behavior. Yeah, set recording behavior. Okay. So now what we'll have is all the interaction, right, that we have will get customized. Sorry, will get recorded. So both agent and customer screen recording, we will keep it off. And if you want to enable the contact lens, so that will come over here, enable chat analytics, speech we don't have, right? We are going to develop for the chat. Language is this one, redact sensitive information. Yes, we are going to redact all the PII data, redact the PII data, personal information data, right? So those details will be redacted and we will redact it with the placeholder. Like if it is a name, we will have a name over there once it is stored over there. So this is the basic thing that we have to do to what you say enable the logging and to make the entries into CTR contact lens. Okay. So now the very first thing, right? We will ask or greet the user, right? So that will be get customer input. We'll go over here and over here we will say, hi, welcome to Ryu. Okay. Uh, Ryu is the bot name that I am giving, something like that. And reinvent something like what is the reinvent user experience, just a name, right? Just for the spelling check. I'm giving that okay, you can put the playlist in 1.5 or 2 so that you can watch the whole video, don't miss anything which I'm saying, but also doesn't consume your time. Okay, welcome to flight booking experience service. Let's say how I can help you for assistance type help. Okay, so that okay, thank you Grammarly for assistance. What is assistance? How how may I help you? Question mark. Come on. Yes, yes. Okay, leave it. Okay, so it's required a Amazon Lex bot to understand our natural language capability. We haven't created the Lex bot. So let's create the Lex bot first of all. Why the assistance is not coming? Anyhow, so let's keep it like DTMA for now and save. Okay, and let's go over here and we will create where we will create in over here. Okay, so for where we are creating Nigeria. No, no, not in Virginia. We will create something in London because my instance is from the London region. No, let it be. We already have something, but let's say create new bot, custom bot, and let's name it RTM and menu. Okay, language can be US. Output device we don't require. Session sentiment also we required, and timeout. Let's say keep it to 5 minutes. What happened? Okay, voice. That's the cell.
Hello, my name is Sally.
Okay. Okay, so now what we are trying to do is first from natural language capability, it should understand booking, manage, info, and contact us, right? So let's create that. Okay, so let's create an intent booking. You can give not booking. Back create booking, right? Yeah. So in this, we can give references. Create booking. These are the training phrases, right? Create CRE. And what else user can say? I like to book a flight, right? Need to book a flight, flight ticket book. Yeah, something like that, right? So that the thing that user can say. What is the next one? Since we are creating for all, right over here, we will have this one. So then manage booking. Okay, so we will create that also over here. Let's say the trading phases will be manage my booking, cancel my flight booking, uh, mm, cancel my flight. Okay, I need to cancel my flight or I need to change date of my flight. I think that will be sufficient, right? Yeah. Okay. So now next is info. You will just click save, create another intent. Uh, info is what? Flight in FLIGST. So flight info is another intent we have created, right? We will add flight info, uh, flight information, flight status, and that is more than sufficient. And contact us. So this will be the last one, last one of the major intent, right? Create intent, contact us, and click add. I will contact us, talk to live agent, human, uh, uh, need to speak with a real person, something like that they can say, right? Anything else they can say? How to contact you. Okay, so these are the this one we have, and the last one is we will have something called help. I think I already created help, right? Oh no, we don't have another help. Okay, so in this we will say help is the one of the phrase help me. Let's say this is just to trigger the interactive menu. Okay, for that what we will do is go to my this what is this GitHub where already the reach. UI message is present, right? So what I will do is I will download this one, and then from there I can edit it, right? But since I'm in my local system, I can go and just grab this one. Okay, paste it over here, and we will create a lambda also. So lambda. Now, why you say, I will ask why we are creating lambda. I will tell you that why we are creating lambda. We are creating lambda to showcase uh, interactive message like list and all those thing. So what I will do, create function. We will name is RTM. Read the manual. Uh, main menu, not the main menu. That's a rich message, MSG. Okay, we will keep it 18. No worries over there. Create function. Once it create, meanwhile, I can click save, and no, I have to give a name. So we will give the name over here to this. Didn't came yet. Is it done now? Yes, successfully created. Now it should come. Which region I created? Lambda is over here only. So let's go to the different one and then come back and then click and just checking again. Yeah, RTM rich message. It will ask for permission. I will give the permission. Click save, and then we will do a build. So meanwhile, it's getting a build. What I will do is upload from here, right? I will upload the downloaded zip. Upload, click over here. I will get the link name, and once it is uploaded, we will start modifying the names, right? How or what will be to show when users say help. Okay, so this one we are using the interactive message, right? And this is the JSON. So you can say, how may I assist you? Blah blah blue, and tap to select. Select any of the option. Again, you can move into 1.5 or 2x speed so that you don't get bored. Okay, what are the things we have? We have first is create booking, right? So we will name it something like book flight. Okay. Do we need subtitle? We don't need subtitle for this. And then we need a airline logo that I will change later on. And what is the next thing we required? Okay, so if we are giving a book of flight, we have to give that as a book of flight so that it get recognized. Then what we are doing is flight info. Oopsie, flight info. We will name it like flight information. I hope the spelling is correct. If not, I don't care. And the next one is manage my booking. Okay, so manage booking, we will give it. Okay, so first of all, again, if I'm giving this, I have to add in the training phase, otherwise it will not recognize. Click save, manage booking. I will go over here. Sorry, copy first, manage booking. Give it over here, space, manage booking, right? Again, we don't, oopsie, we don't require this one. And we'll come over here, manage booking is not there, so we will add manage booking also. Click save. Flight info, did we click save? Save. And then the last one is contact us. Last one is contact us. We don't require this task, and we can add a oops space to that. Okay. So this is done, and this is will be triggered when there is a intent call help. So when user say help, then it will be coming and displaying the JSON list. Okay, so JSON list will have all these things. And where is my help list help have the JSON list. Okay, everything is cool over there. Let's deploy. This is Lex. Did we add all the thing? I think we have added. Let's click save. Let's see. Create booking. Did we add? Book a flight. Okay. 710. Flight info. Flight information added. Help is anywhere help and manage booking. Why we didn't add a space over there? Manage booking. Manage booking. Manage booking. Space is there, right? So manage space booking. Okay. Click save and click build. Okay. Now, to access this Lex from our AWS Connect, right, we have to add this to the instance. So I will go over here, open the Amazon Connect instance. I will click over here. And if you see over here, we have various options. I will go to the flows and I will search for the my bot. So I think this was the, no. What was the bot name I have given? RTIM. I don't see it over here. Why? Build is done. Uh, Interesting. Let's do again. Okay, now it comes. So maybe it was not published at that time. So I will add that Amazon Lex over here, and we are not consuming any Lambda directly via Lex we are doing, so we don't have to add that Lambda. Okay, so now we will come over here and we will add the Amazon Lex, and our bot name was this one. Now what we will do is we will add the intents, right? So what are the intents name that we have added? We have added first is create booking, right? So we will add create booking. Another one was manage booking. Another one was flight info. And help will anyway trigger that one and contact us. So we will add contact us. So these are the four options that we will get, right? So we'll click save and that is there. Now also let's handle the what is that play prompt. So let's say if there is a something which user enter which is not appropriate or not uh, within the intents that we have created. So I will say sorry, I didn't get that. Please try again. Okay, so what we will do is we will give it n number of tries, not n number of tries. Okay, so let's loop. So we will allow only for 2 times, okay, and then only. So this let's kill this two. So what we are doing over here is, let's say if users give any no input or no match, no input is not possible. Let's say if give a no input, okay, sorry, no match, like does input which does not match with your configure intents. Let me minimize so that I can point it to right place. So what we will do is we will allow a retry till 2 times. This loop means, and once it is done, what we will do is we will again play something called Sorry, you have some max. Uh, Sorry, you have exceeded the maximum try. Let me full stop. Is there right? Let me zoom in. I'm not able to read myself. Let me transfer you to an agent. Okay. So for now, what we will do is rather than transferring, or let's transfer now. Set basic queue. Let's type for queue UUE. Set working queue. Okay. So what is a working queue over here? Working queue is basic queue, and for error also. And then what we will do. Oops, it was there only. Transfer to the queue, and then either way we will disconnect. So now we are disconnecting this one, right? So this flow is completed. We have given the retries and blah blah blah. Okay, so now the problem is, sorry, I didn't will. Okay, so what we will do is we will break this prompt. Play. Where is the play? So instead of going directly, you will come over here. We will extract this thing. So you will ask why I'm doing this, because now since we are saying hi, sorry I didn't get that right, and then it will again say hi, welcome to this one. It doesn't look good. So what we will do is we will break it out the prompts, and now we have all this thing right now. I will do what is now we have to test it out, right? So either this much of flow is working or not. So intent triggered triggered and then what we will do is disconnect. Okay, so let's see if this much of flow that we created in last not sure how many minutes is working or not. Did it published? Okay, flow is published. Eureka movement. So let's go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, go to the test chat. In the test chat, what we will do is going to test settings over here. We will select our bot name, which was RTM main menu. Click save, click apply, and over here you can see the bot is coming over here. So how can I assist you? Help. So let's say go with help. If it is working or not, let's see. Okay, so it's working with all the fruits that we have. Okay, so first we have to change the what you can say icons of this options that we have. So let's say if I select book a flight, intent is triggered and that is closed. Okay. Now to make it more appropriate, right? We are doing for Indigo, right? So Indigo, I like this one. Open in new tab. Oh, that's logo will not one logo. One time. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I like this image. Okay, so what we will do is copy and go over here and give this whole as this one. Okay, now book a flight. So what I usually do is I will type over here book a flight icon. Now why I'm saying icon, because this gives you more appropriate size image, and I click open in new tab, and this will not work. Sorry. um this one also looks guide, or this one also look nice. Let's go with this one. Can we see if it is a image? Okay, so this is a image. So we will give the URL as this one, right? Click save. Now the next one is flight information. Flight information is nothing but flight status icon. So, oh, this one looks nice, right? So open in new tab. Let's see if it is an image. It is an image. Okay, so this will give this, and then manage booking. Uh, let's say manage flight booking icon. Mm, does not look appropriate. So in manage, what we can do, cancel and edit. Okay, edit flight booking icon. Okay, now we have something more appropriate. Excuse me. I think I like this one. Open a new image. This is not an image. We'll go back to our search. This one or this one maybe. Let's see if it is an image. No, sorry. This is also not an image. Let's see if it is an image. Is this an image? No, it is also not an image. I like this one also. Is this an image? No, sorry, this one. Nope, not all these are image. Control Z, close, close. Okay, let's say this one. Is this an image? No, this is also not an image. When I say it's not an image, because it's coming with a URL. So if you see, this one is okay, we can use them. Other ones are coming with the URL which has a token and all those things. So that token changes time to time, uh, like in a day or in a month. Okay, and what will happen if in that case it will stop working? Okay, so last icon is contact us. This should be the easy one. I like this one. See this URL, see it contains this token, blah 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 blah, and this does get changed time to time. And since we are just creating for the demo, right, uh, it appropriate to have the one which is having PNG or something like PNG, JPG and all this thing, so that it stays that way. This one is correct, PNG, and I will add it over here. Okay, so everything is done. Click deploy and we will test, and I think we will stop this video after that. We'll click over here and let's see if our icon has been. Did we not deploy? We did deploy, but none of the icon is coming. Let's give it another try. So click over here and click help. If it is not coming over here, it means that it's not able to load. So let's create a chat widget. Okay. What we will do is, this is the chat widget that we have. What is this, Riva? No. Where is the edit? Yeah. So let's name it Rio. That is what we have given. And this is the name that we will give. Where it went? Hmm, something like that. Oops, reinvent. Let's keep it reinvent. Invent, and let's make it UX. And it should go to my bot, which is nothing but this one. Once I click, I don't like the background. Let's make it. What is it? 00000, right? No, that is black. F. Okay. Clicks next, and then I will get localhost domain. Okay, we have to go get and copy and create my code. So what I will do is, again, I will go to my AWS Connect. I think in the, do we have a Lambda over here anywhere? No, we don't have. So I know where it is. I will go to my this one, Dialogflow ES. In the Dialogflow ES Node.js code, I have this load HTML, which I will download. It's been downloaded. So let's pull the downloaded file. I will go over here, Control X, come over here. I will paste. I will create a folder called VIEWS views, and in that I will create a test HTML or any HTML that you want to give. So test.html, black, 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 black. Okay. I want to rename. I will click and open with editor. Now I want to paste this one. So I will paste it over here so that my chatbot gets started or get start. Okay, so to start it, what I will do is I will go over here and I will type CMD, and what are the things that I required? Yes, I trust this file. I need only Express, and test will point to test HTML. Okay. So what is that? Npm install. Oopsie. Npm install. Okay. Before that, this is Node.js code. So if you don't have Node.js, you have to install Node.js first, and Express and EJS. So once this two is installed, what I can do is go and start the flow. What is that? Index not coming. Why? Oh, sorry, this the name is load HTML. So once I do that, it starts the local host, which is pointing to this, and I should get a test over here. Now, what I will do is click over here. It should give me the same bot that we have uh, over there deployed in AWS Connect. Okay, and I will type help, and now this time I should get the all the icons. If you see over here, now we are getting the icons. Okay, so now this is the first step that we have completed, right? I will click book of light and it should be triggering the intent that we have done so far. Okay, so now in the next part, what we will do is we will cover the flows that we have. This is the flow that we have, right? So we are going to ask about from, to, and from and to city, and then the dates and number of passenger. Then again, we will display some list. Okay. So till that part we will cover in the next video. Okay, then have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.